What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike FX speaking, and we're back again with another video. This is our weekly review. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Hope you guys had a profitable week. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys made some money this week, and hope you guys are doing great. And thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure that you like the video. Make sure that you click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, leave a comment below, and welcome to the family. So, yeah, this week has been hectic, you guys. So, we'll just take it from the top and I'll kind of explain every single trade that I took this week on Nasdaq, right? So, uh, yeah, to start things off, just to make this point clear, I won't be going to the higher time frames to tell you guys why exactly I took this trade. Please make sure that you click on the link to our previous video, the analysis video, so that you get to understand why I took these positions and why I was selling so much this week. And please click the link. I'll put it up somewhere right now. Click the link and watch that video, because anything that I'm saying right here will not make any sense to you, and you will not be able to pick up as much value from it until you've watched that analysis video, right? So to kick things off, we had a great trade on Monday. Monday is when we started trading, right? We had a nice push to the upside, right? And we saw price rejecting this area, right? Dropping massively. So when price came up, I think this was the London session. As soon as price came up, I saw some rejections down there, some rejections up there. I entered with my sell. As you can see, price hit me at 1%, and I was really happy with taking that loss, because I was well aware that price could potentially come up to test these areas up there before shooting, or these ones before shooting to the downside, right? So we saw price coming up correctively to the upside, but I knew the momentum was to the downside and we will be selling today. But unfortunately, this trade missed me. As you can see, we had a nice rejection there, a nice I don't know if you can call it a shooting star or what, or a dodgy, I don't know, but we had a nice rejection candle there, and usually after this candle I would have executed my sales and held it all the way to these TP, right? So this would have been a brilliant trade to start the week with 125 points, right? So that was really it on Monday. We took that 1% loss, and I was on to Tuesday, right? So Tuesday came, and Tuesday was a great day. Tuesday was a very good day. So the same thing happened. We saw price rejecting this area here, right? So price coming here, I knew we were selling again, because we were not coming to break highs and we were breaking lows. So I knew we were selling. So I was looking for price to push to the upside and come to areas of interest where I will be potentially looking to sell. Right? But as you can see, price gave me a nice double top, came down. I was waiting for price to come for a third time and reject here before I actually take a sell all the way to the downside, right? But that didn't quite happen. We saw price. This was retail sales news, the US retail sales. Yeah, I think it was retail sales, core retail sales, I think so. Retail sales seem to be moving the market fairly strongly in these past few months, and I might just start trading it, right? So we saw a nice push, and then when the market opened, I saw a nice rejection, and as you can see, it was almost the same area that we rejected on yesterday, which was my high, which I was anticipating yesterday. We rejected perfectly there. We had a nice dodgy. I executed my sales immediately as the candle closed. Executed my sales, and as you can see, we dropped. We didn't waste any time. 100 points secured there on Tuesday. Tuesday was a really great day. We made a lot of money on Tuesday. And then Wednesday came, same thing happened, bro. Same thing, we're seeing price breaking lows, but not really coming to break highs. So I knew that, okay, Wednesday will be potentially selling again. So I was looking at this multiple times here, and even though it came above, it quickly came below. So as soon as we break retest, I was looking for price to manipulate above this area and come to these highs before I can sell. So I put my entry, my sell limit up there. While price was somewhere here, I put my sell limit up there, and I got triggered in, and boom, and it went down, and it went down. Unfortunately, with this one, I was just unlucky with it because price came just a few pips away from my TP, and as you can see, price just changed direction, started to push all the way to the upside. Right, I ended up closing somewhere here. I was actually looking for this low. I don't know if you guys will see it, but let's just hope the market will load. But there's a low that I was targeting back there. I was kind of hoping that price was gonna come down to that level, but we didn't quite get there. We didn't quite get there. So oh man, I ended up closing like it was very maybe yeah. As you can see, I was once holding like 120 points, and I ended up going home with like 50 points. So it was not such a great day for me on Thursday, but at least we still made some money, right? So, and then Thursday came. Oh, Thursday, man, yo, Thursday. Oh, hey, Thursday was very interesting. I mean, it was Thursday. Yo. So Thursday, when Thursday happened, I was really focused on this move here. This huge push to the upside in a correction, kind of a bullish flag, and then expecting another push to the upside, right? That is what I was expecting, and I didn't really see that we were breaking, we were having a strong level of support here, which we broke and it became resistance, and second time became resistance, right? So it wasn't really a bad trade because it took me out at 33 points. It's just that I entered right here, and as soon as price came up to these areas, I scaled in with like two more positions or something. So when the market reversed the same time, immediately after I placed my buys, it put me in a really awkward positions because instead of now losing like 1%, I ended up losing like 3 or 4% or close to 5% of my account in that single trade alone. So it really set me back a little bit. But I mean, it was okay, man. Yeah, to be honest, it was a big loss, man. It was a big loss. I guess you guys will see when I go through the account review that challenge from $1,000 on up to $15,000. You guys will see that this Thursday trade really took me back a couple of steps, right? But it's okay. And then Friday, which is today, we had a similar situation. We saw price having quite a bit of momentum to the upside, right? This nice push to the upside, and we saw price kind of ranging in this area. And I was really expecting price to tap here and start pushing and making new highs, right? But then that didn't quite happen. As you can see, I took a nice buy here. I was in very nice profits. I think I was like 30, 45 pips. Then as you can see, the market just reversed as soon as the New York opened. It took me out at -1%, right? It could have moved to break even, but the same thing. So this one as well was really bad. It's just that man, I scaled in as soon as I closed this position right here, and as soon as price dropped here, I entered another position because I was anticipating that the market should tap these areas and start shooting up. So I created a position there. Usually when I trade in New York, I don't use stop loss. So this one really hit me a bit. I think it hit me like 60 points, something, 60 points. The